10 best women hair applicants on Amazon you should try.
We present to you, Automatic Hair Curling, by BaBylissPRO. In addition to being a perfect gift, our automatic hair curling gives you the opportunity to create a curly look in seconds. 1. Choose between the 3 interchangeable iron barrels, small, medium, or large. And hold your hair. 2. Press the button to make your hair twist smoothly. You can curl left or right. 3. The machine makes a sound to notify that your curl is ready. Our curling iron helps reduce frizz, static, and adds extra shine. It suits any hairstyle and gives you glorious curls without heat damage. In our kit you will find all accessories for your comfort. Now you are ready to look gorgeous. Prettier, easier, and faster. Automatic Hair Curling, by BaBylissPRO. Get yours right now.
PARWIN Pro Beauty. PARWIN Salon is beauty.
Apex, the novelty that nourishes, smooths, and shapes, with the revolutionary floating plates technology for you to have perfectly shaped hair. While the flat iron smooths and shapes, the intelligent combination of aluminum plates and floating technology promotes unprecedented conditioning. It seals the cuticles, eliminates frizz, and creates the perfect, long-lasting shape. Bekind Apex's rounded design is made to give you multiple styling possibilities for all hair types, colors, and sizes. Bekind Apex. Goodbye, frizz. Hello, silky hair.
If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more videos.